Hello everyone, welcome back to the Immigrant Blueprint channel. Today I'll be talking about the K-1 visa process. As a lawyer, I've helped numerous couples navigate the fiancé visa process, and I understand that it can be a daunting and complicated process. Today I want to encourage you to fear not, as I will be discussing everything you need to know when applying for the K-1 fiancé visa. Stay tuned. A K-1 visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows foreign fiancés to enter the United States and marry their U.S. citizen sponsor within 90 days of their arrival. This visa is intended for couples who are in a bona fide, real, genuine relationship and intend to marry in the United States. Now, to qualify for this visa, you and your fiancé have to meet certain requirements. First, you must be a U.S. citizen, and you should have met your fiancé in person within the last 2 years. Also, both you and your fiancé must be legally free to marry, and you must intend to get married within 90 days of your fiancé's arrival in the United States. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff, which is the application process. The first step is to file a form called the I-129F, also known as the Petition for Alien Fiancé, with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, which is also known as USCIS. And this form is used to basically establish that you are a U.S. citizen and that you have a bona fide relationship with your fiancé. You will need to provide detailed information about both yourself and your fiancé, including biographical details, employment history, and criminal records, if any. In addition to the I-129F, you will need to submit supporting documentation with your application. And this can include things like, again, proof of your U.S. citizenship, such as your birth certificate or passport. If you've been a naturalized citizen, your naturalization document certificate, proof of your fiance's identity and nationality, such as their passport or birth certificate, and evidence of your relationship, such as photographs, letters, or other documentation showing that you've met in person and that you plan to get married. Now, once you submit your application and supporting documentation to USCIS, they will review your petition and they may request additional evidence or information if needed. If your petition is approved, USCIS will forward your case to the National Visa Center, the NVC, which will process your case and forward it to the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your fiance's home country. Your fiance will then need to attend a visa interview at the embassy or consulate. And now this will happen after they complete additional documentation with the NVC, and I will go over that in more detail in a different video. Now, at the interview, they will be asked questions about their relationship with you and their plans for marriage in the U.S. If their application is then approved, they will receive the K-1 visa, and then they can travel to the United States and marry you within 90 days of their arrival. Now, it's important to note that the application process can take several months, and there are many factors that can impact the timeline, such as workload of USCIS and the embassy or consulate, and any issues or delays that may arise during the application process. Other common issues that could arise include lack of evidence of a bona fide relationship, or maybe criminal history or other inadmissibility issues. Other issues that can delay the processing of the application include maybe incomplete or incorrect application forms, or even failure to attend the visa interview. If any of these issues come up, it can cause some serious delays and even result in a denial of the visa. In conclusion, bringing your fiancé to the United States on a K-1 visa can be complicated, it can be time-consuming, but it's also very rewarding. It's important to remember that the application process requires careful attention to detail and thorough understanding of the immigration laws and regulations that apply to this particular case. As a lawyer with experience with immigration law, I'm here to help, and I'm here to help you navigate this process and ensure that your application is strong. And if you need assistance with preparing the K-1 visa application, our firm has experience working with clients with this particular type of case, helping them gather supporting documentation, preparing the petition, and we'll be very happy to help you. So if you're considering applying for the K-1 visa, please do not hesitate to reach out to my office. Our information is listed in the description. I'm very passionate about helping couples reunite and start their lives here in the United States together, and I'd be honored to assist you in any way that I can. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, if you know anyone that would benefit from the information that I provided today, please share. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time we release a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.